Hey guys, welcome to the Pandy351 reaction. Nightman is stuck as a cat. And so, link to this video down in the description. And, oh, yep. Now the notification comes up. And, yeah, let's just get into this. I need to turn my volume up first, though.
Good morning. Well, alright, we're at Burner. This is fun. Hey, this is fun. We get to play games. There are new games. You know there are new games? There are new ones.
Yep, I got the update.
Andy!
Oh! We gotta,
Hey guys,
gotta go! Bye-bye!
What the hell? What in the heck happened to you, Nightman?
Oh!
No,
I was like, what is Nox doing? But then I was like, oh, wait, he's barking. I didn't realize until a bit after. So I was just like, what on earth is he doing? But then I was like, oh wait, yeah, Nox is barking.
hey, Nox, I got a bone. Bone. Oh, wait, I don't do bones. I do sticks.
What?
Hey, fun time! Fun time, you have a game now. Let's focus on that.
Game.
Game.
Oh, sorry. Name it. Sorry. Yes.
Ooh.
Your cat.
Oh goodness.
Yes. Game.
Wait, Nox, you're a wolf, not a dog. What?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. I was gonna say it, but I didn't know if I should say it or not. Like, why? I was gonna say, why is Nox chasing him? He's a wolf.
Yes. But this is just the cat. Yes.
What?
Not
I thought.
Nightman.
Okay.
What?
I thought it'd be.
Yes.
Okay. I thought it'd be funny. Okay.
Wait. Okay.
Right,
I already knew
okay.
this.
What?
Yeah.
How do you know this? You don't think this showed me?
Wait,
Oh.
hang on. Who's Bingo?
I am not
Okay, what did I miss?
Black and white. Okay, all right.
cat.
All right, hang on. Hang on. Let me explain, okay? So, Violet and Nightman both have a disguise mode. It's like it's a hush-hush quiet mode. And it turns them into, like, animal costumes, like us.
Can I
Okay.
go? Basically, it turns them into furries.
It
Excuse
turns
me, hold on,
Nightman
hold on.
turns into a cat, and then
Can-
turns
can-
into
Lily,
a
can I
wolf,
stay here?
a dog. I got
Can I
it.
stay here?
Me. Tell me that.
What happened to
Hey.
Bingo and
Nova,
Daisy?
stop it. We're not. Ignore your sweet tooth, Nova. No, I want the can. Nova. But I know.
Hi.
Talk to yourself.
Are you okay?
Is he okay?
Hey.
Oh! Oh!
Wait,
He just came out of nowhere and stabbed. Oh my god!
No, wait, hold on. No.
Yeah.
Oh, Pete, is that big gummy bear?
No, wait.
There was
Is that
a
lime flavor?
black cat and a purple wolf.
Yes, no, that's fine with
Nope,
Nightman.
nope.
Yeah,
And the
okay.
names were Bingo
Okay.
and Daisy.
So here's the thing.
Richard, why?
When they go out of disguise
Hi,
mode,
Pandy.
it doesn't change.
Why were you crouched?
We don't want to get like cat ears and a tail. No, what? No.
Oh God, I forgot about the.
Oh, God.
Ticking. Hey, where's everyone else? Come here, bounce. In the game. Yep, we got in the game. Come on. Come here, bouncy boy. Where's the cat? Bow, bow, bow. Come here. Ow. Right in the back.
Goodness.
Go away.
I am a happy puppet.
Heck yeah!
I'm happy.
You happy?
No, wait.
You happy you got your game?
Look, we're here. Hi.
I have a game.
Pandy, you okay? You okay?
What?
Hi. How many fingers am I holding up?
Fine. What? I'm so confused.
You have fingers?
Wait, hold on, Plushie!
Yeah, pause.
Hi, Plushie. Tell me about what I did.
Pushy.
When did you... Ow! My face, Leo! I'm still angry at you.
I'm sorry.
Wait, what?
Okay.
Wait,
what happened?
So you know how she's indestructible, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, wait, you don't know. Okay. So, Nox, Clunk, I murdered a child.
What?
I met you.
Again?
What?
Pandy went to therapy. We went to therapy for
What
this.
is it again?
I think so.
Oh,
Pandy.
Okay, Afton, wait, no, you were there. Hold on, Afton forced me to murder a child.
I know.
Oh, okay. It's same case. Gotcha.
Leah punched me in the face.
Okay, I thought it was separate case. Okay,
So
continue.
here's the thing. Plushy and Delilah were all hanging out with me when it all went down, and all of a sudden I saw hunt mode activated. And I was like, well, that's really weird. And then I ripped Plushy's arms off, which she's indestructible, so that makes it even weirder.
Okay, so what I'm
Were
hearing
you
is...
disarmed?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna run now.
Yes.
I'm gonna run now. She's gonna tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. I'm sorry.
Point,
Wait, hang on.
Hey,
Come here.
Oh,
come here,
jeez.
come here. I want to see you. I want to see.
Did he steal Bingo's ears and tail?
I'm gonna say Bridget.
I know.
Wait, stop. Stop punching. Bridget.
Okay, wait. Everyone, silence! Okay, good. Bridget?
Huh? Yeah?
He is Bingo.
No, Bingo's a cat.
Yeah, he is a cat.
I'm gonna say Bridget.
Hey, Nightman.
He's got ears and tail.
You want to see a trick?
Okay. Bridget, when you turn
Well,
the
stop.
suit
Stop, no
inside
fighting.
out,
Abba
When you
Kadabra,
turn
I go
it-
with Sam.
you know how he's an animatronic too? He's a human animatronic, right?
Yeah.
When you turn the suit inside out, he turns into Bingo.
Yeah.
Squishy puppy.
The silence.
That's because he's not inside out.
The silence. I don't know why, but the silence. There's a couple seconds
So
silence.
I have a confession. Here's a Taylor permanent. Okay, bye.
Wait, what?
Oh, we gotta go to games. Oh, let's go.
Bingo though?
Wait, hold on. This is Stella's game.
Oh, that's Stella's game? I didn't get to see whose game it was.
No.
Yeah,
In
go ahead.
PUBG
No one's gonna
Phase
stop you.
2. We can see whose game it was.
Okay.
Where, Bridget?
I'm gonna keep laughing at Nightman for this.
Oh God.
Kitty cat. It's so funny.
I hate everyone and
Okay,
everything.
what was the shadows recently?
Plushie, I heard he broke out his ribs and one of his kidneys.
What's up with the shadow in this map?
Yeah, Nightman got very
Oh
aggressive
yeah.
and attacked
Hey, wait a
us.
minute. Here's the other thing. Violet actually was like, okay, so Violet came and she yelled at me a bunch, but then she said she wasn't as mad as me as she was at Klaus. And I was like, whoa.
Did he cheat on her?
I don't know, but apparently she's
Klaus-
really angry
Klaus
at us.
doesn't seem like the person that do that.
Well, is
Did he forget their anniversary?
Why do I always spawn with
I'm sorry, but I just like how the first thing that they showed was did he cheat on her?
you?
Giant potatoes! I don't
What?
think they've even admitted to dating.
They haven't been. Are they actually?
They're
Are they actually
dating.
dating?
Oh yeah, they're
Are they?
so dating. They go out on dates and stuff. It's adorable.
Oh,
So
Plushy.
it just they're pumpkins supposed to have
Whoa.
It's Pandy.
Oh no! This is why I don't turn around.
that was your partner?
Oh, wait.
Need revenge. Revenge is not.
You killed Bingo.
I'm sorry.
Oh no! Ow!
Revenge is not candy.
It is? Because I thought it was day. I don't know.
9? I
wait.
thought revenge was at 10.
Wait.
What?
I thought she said 9.
What's 9?
I thought she said 9.
supposed to have holes
I was like, God.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What?
I will have my revenge.
Pandy, why?
I'm sorry. I'm lagging. My servos. They are not responding in a very proper manner. Oh boy.
So basically,
Oh,
That was
so
close! Yeah, oh my god, that was
That's
so
not even
close.
fair.
That was
wasn't
so
even-
close
you
to
killed
hitting
Plushie, like-
Plushie.
I
Nothing.
know, that's fine, but it still isn't fair.
you want to try this one again?
What?
Is
Yeah,
it weird that
okay.
this map reminds me of my
I'm
aunt's
okay.
garden?
It was just my servos started locking up a bit there. Bye.
Oh.
You killed me.
Oh, you think if
I'm
we cook one of
sorry.
these potatoes, we can make giant French fries?
Who's left?
What?
Now
Gigantic french fries, yes!
Bridget.
Now I'm hungry. Why?
Can make a giant
Why did they say that? I'm hungry now.
Pandy, go in that hole in the wall.
That it is.
Oh my god.
Why? No, I know where
What
Bridget
size
was.
now?
But we don't have
Water.
cheese though.
Bridget, you were in the
Oh,
water.
no.
Where are you at?
You're
I
right.
know. Oh wait, I got a compass.
I can't eat food
that's
anyways.
I got a compass now.
Yeah, sorry, plushie.
Ow! No,
Pandy.
my wings.
Pandy,
Oh!
there's a secret.
I got
There's
stabbed.
a secret?
Yeah, that's why I gotta do this again.
Oh, wait, we gotta do it again. Okay, we can do it again.
Oh wait, wasn't there another game?
Secret. Secret first. What other game? Only,
Why am I in this?
only 2 new games. Dylan, what time snap? Oh wait, are you talking about that other room? Have you been there? You haven't.
What?
You've not been to the spring location, although you wouldn't remember that.
Oh, that. I was like, wait, what? What's going on?
The arcade world.
Oh,
I mean, you all have
The ten-
memories of being a spring.
There's 10 and
No,
people,
but,
so there's 2 murderers. I just... Pandy, over here.
Let's go. Secrets.
Jesus, hey.
I was back there. That's where I killed the boy.
Oh,
It's a rabbit.
it's a butterfly.
oh.
This is where
I didn't see the bunny.
this is my
Oh,
If I alone.
Oh, there's the butterfly. Goodbye.
Is the butterfly?
Come here.
Oh,
I don't know what's happening.
no.
Ah!
Oh.
Oh, I heard death.
Shaking. Okay.
It was her on.
Oh.
And Bridget.
It's Bridget and her run.
There's 2 murderers.
Oh.
I
I saw the butterfly.
Wait.
She did not.
I don't want to
see
get ripped
me.
apart again. No thanks.
Oh, you.
Sorry, Bounce, I couldn't save you in time. Hey, plushie, I got the bow. Come here, hyena boy.
It's just rude.
Oh.
So
Go, hero nuts. Yes.
He did better than I did.
What?
I died again.
What?
I don't know what
But,
just happened.
I don't know if you guys
And the
remember,
box
that
is back,
game reminds me of
correct?
My aunt's,
Hold on, the box is back.
Oh, let's go to the yellow place.
Go
Not allowed to eat
The
water.
yellow place.
Arcade world.
Go home.
oh, place.
Yeah.
I wanna go home.
Yeah.
We are at home technically and technically not.
No. No.
No, but remember a part of it? The puppet souls
Wait.
were at the arcade world.
There's a blue.
I'm going home.
Look, a box.
This is mine. Or was.
Yeah,
no,
that's
not
Puppet's
mine.
box.
Not mine. I'm not. What?
Yeah, I'm home.
Oh. There's a lot of boxes.
Speaking of which,
Oh, God.
Okay, I don't know if I cut anyone off there or not. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Link to this video will be down in the description. Can't speak. Good job, me. And I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye.